I bought a GPU for just 10 bucks on eBay, but something's not right. It was supposed to be an AMD R5240, but as we'll see in a moment, GPU-Z tells a very different story. Firing up GPU-Z, this card is actually recognized as an R7200 series, which is super weird because it doesn't even specify the exact model. Here's what we do know. It's an OEM Dell GPU from 2013. It has 384 shader cores running at 825 MHz. It comes with 1 GB of GDDR3 RAM clocked at 1000 MHz. Not exactly a powerhouse, but for $10, let's find out what it can do. To put this mystery GPU through its paces, I'll be testing it on a system featuring Intel i5-60 600,000 K16 GB of RAM and Windows 11 Pro. Alright, enough of the specs, let's get to the results. I ran it through multiple versions of Minecraft, and honestly, it's not bad. Sure, it's not winning any awards, but for a $10 GPU that still holds up, I'd call that a win. If you found this interesting, consider subscribing. I test weird and budget-friendly hardware all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.